After a while I am making this lesson. Hope all of you are doing well and learning English every day. Today I am going to share with you a very interesting and useful lesson. So let's come to the point. They refers to two or more people, things or a particular organization that have been previously mentioned or easily identified. Very simple and you know it. But most probably you didn't know they along with its derivative forms their, them, theirs, themselves can be used as singular pronoun also. Let's focus on why we need to use they as singular. Let me give you one example. One of my Gujarati friends can speak in Spanish fluently. Really? How did she learn it? Here I have not shared whether my friend is male or female and you are not sure about my friend's gender. Therefore, the right sentence would be, really? How did they learn it? Here I have used they in place of he or she as singular pronoun. I am giving you some other examples. Someone has left his or her handbag behind. If someone is interested to participate in summer camp, he or she can contact with us. In these sentences, we can use their or they to avoid longer expressions his or her, he or she, this way. Someone has left their handbag behind. If someone is interested to participate in summer camp, they can contact with us. We use they as singular to talk about someone who may be a male or female but we don't want to tell it to avoid exposing gender. Every child should have proper education for their future. Someone has made a complaint about their neighbor's behavior. Previously, people contemplated to use he to refer to men or women in general. But now, must avoid using this. The use of they as singular is more acceptable in spoken as well as in written English. I hope you have found this lesson useful and learned something. Stay with us for more such lessons. Bye for now. See you soon.